Imagine waking up one day to find your job gone. Not because of a natural disaster, an economic crisis, or a global pandemic, but because a machine has taken your place. This isn't science fiction. This is reality. And it's happening right here, right now. In this video, we'll talk about how AI and automation could destroy 800 million jobs worldwide. Yes, you heard that right, 800 million jobs. Let's break down how this can happen and what it means for all of us. Artificial intelligence is no longer about the future. It's here and growing faster than ever. From self-driving cars and simulated assistants to advanced robotics and smart devices, AI is transforming industries everywhere. Companies are using AI more and more to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve productivity. But what happens when machines become so efficient that they begin to replace human workers? According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost to automation by 2030. That's about 1/5 of the global workforce. Jobs involving routine and repetitive tasks are most at risk. Think cashiers, office workers, truck drivers, and even customer representatives. Machines and robots with AI can perform these tasks faster, cheaper, and usually more accurately than humans. In factories around the world, robots are already performing tasks such as welding, assembly, and packaging. Companies like Foxconn, which makes electronics for Apple and other tech giants, have replaced thousands of workers with robots. In retail, Amazon's cashierless stores use AI to track what customers pick up and automatically charge at checkout, eliminating the need for cashiers. In transportation, self-driving trucks are being tested and could soon replace millions of truck drivers. Companies like Tesla and Uber are leading this technology. In finance, AI algorithms are being used to analyze market trends, make trading decisions, and even provide investment advice. Robo-advisors are becoming increasingly popular, possibly reducing the need for human financial advisors. But it's not just blue-collar jobs that are at risk. White-collar jobs are also in danger. AI is becoming increasingly successful in tasks that require reasoning and decision-making. For example, AI can analyze big data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, which are common tasks in the financial, healthcare, and legal industries. Imagine an AI system that can diagnose diseases more accurately than a doctor, or draft legal documents faster than a lawyer. That's huge. But AI will also create jobs, right? You might think. Yes, it will. New technologies often do, but the transition won't be as smooth and clear-cut as we'd like it to be. The jobs delivered by AI will require new skills that many workers currently lack. This leads to a big problem: the skills gap. Employees who lose their jobs to automation will need to retrain and learn new skills, but not everyone will have the opportunity or resources to do so. The massive effects of job loss can be devastating. Unemployment rates can rise, leading to economic hardship. Entire communities that rely on certain services can collapse. The gap between the rich and the poor can become even wider, as those who are able to adapt and learn new skills thrive, while others are left behind. The rise of AI also raises ethical questions. Who is responsible when an AI system goes wrong? How can we make sure that AI is used to benefit everyone, not just a few? And most importantly, how do we balance technological progress with the need for human labor? These questions are not easy to answer. Critical thinking and cooperation are needed from governments, businesses, and society at large. We need regulations and guidelines to make sure of responsible development and use of AI. We also need to invest in education and training programs to prepare workers for the jobs of the future. What can we do to prepare for this AI-driven future? First, we have to embrace lifelong learning. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to learn and adapt is incredibly important. We need to foster a culture of lifelong learning, where people continuously update their skills and knowledge. Our education systems have to evolve to meet the demands of the 21st century. This means a focus on science, technology, engineering, and math education, as well as critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Governments and businesses should provide support to workers affected by automation. This includes retraining programs, financial help, and career counseling. We need to make sure that AI is designed and used ethically. This means putting guidelines and policies in place to protect privacy, prevent bias, and promote accountability. The economic growth of AI should be available to everyone, not just a select few. We need policies that promote inclusive growth and reduce inequality. While the prospect of 800 million jobs being destroyed by automation is scary, it's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to create new opportunities and improve our lives. It can take away risky and tedious projects, allowing us to focus on more meaningful and creative work. It can drive innovation, improve healthcare, and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. But to enjoy the benefits of AI, we need to act now. We need to be prepared for the changes that are coming and make sure that no one gets left behind. AI is driving the future, and it's up to us to shape that future in a way that works for everyone. Again, according to the McKinsey Global Institute, rapid automation of technology could lead to the loss of 800 million jobs by 2030, and that's not too far away. This harsh reality highlights the need for urgent action and the unity of society. Despite these potential job losses, it's important to note that AI can also create new jobs and investment opportunities. For example, the technology sector, which includes companies developing AI, will see an increase in demand for new jobs such as data scientists, AI specialists, and cybersecurity specialists. While some jobs will disappear, others will evolve, requiring workers to adapt and acquire new skills to stay competitive in the changing job market. Also, the impact of AI is not the same in all communities. In advanced economies with high wages, such as the United States, France, and Japan, up to 25% of the workforce could be automated. However, in countries like India, where labor is cheaper and automation is less developed, the impact will not be as significant. This indirect effect highlights global differences in technology adoption and productivity consequences. In less mechanized countries, the transition will be slower, giving workers more time to adjust and find new roles. As we head into the future, it is really important to recognize the drastic shift in skills that we will need. Advanced technical skills, such as programming and data analytics, will be key. But social and emotional skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving will also see increased demand. Workers will need to learn a blend of technology and conveniences to stay afloat in an AI-driven economy. While AI and automation pose huge challenges for the global workforce, they also provide opportunities for innovation and growth. By preparing for these changes through education, ethical AI development, and supportive policies, we can create a future where technology and humanity coexist side by side. The key is to act now, making sure that the potential of AI is used to benefit society as a whole, rather than allowing it to widen the gap between the haves and have-nots. The future is coming, powered by AI. Let's make sure we're ready for it. I hope that you found this video helpful or interesting. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.